Crochet Family. I am your one and your only Lady Simone. I am excited about this video because for one, I wanted to unbox this hook like the minute it came in, but I was like, nope, we're not going to unbox it. I'm going to unbox it when I do the video. So I've been holding on to this for a little minute and I'm like, eek. So what I did was I stored it away in my bag and I'm like, okay, just don't do it until you make the video. But it was the hardest thing. It really was. So I'm going to cut this. I'm super excited about it because I've had a hook from this artist before. And look at there. It comes with a nice little card with my name. Oh, I'm so excited. And you get a nice thank you very much card with it. And it says, I hope this hook finds you well. Oh, I'm so excited. And it's from Stefnie from this little hook of Schmine. This is the card. And this little hook of Schmine.com is the website. So let's see if I can show. I don't know if, let's see. I'm trying to, I don't want to show you that. You see, let's see if I can put it in here. Here we go. This little hook of Schmine.com. I don't know why. Is it focused? There we go. So if you're looking to find a crochet hook, or if you're into the hooks like I am, I'm telling you, this designer is amazing. So I chose, and I'm going to say when I first found her, because I have another hook, I have the rose quartz hook from her, but when I saw the website, she had the shaker hook, and I'm like, I am definitely going to one day get a shaker hook. Lo and behold, I saw she had this harvest shaker hook, and it's called the Harvest Shaker. It comes wrapped like this. I can hear it. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. I got it in a 6mm. Oh, guys, it is gorgeous. Look at that. And it has a little pumpkin in the inside. Oh, let's see if I can, it's up, see the pumpkin there, leaves, then we have some glitter. And this is like a custom like hook that she has, the water shaker. And when I saw it, I was just like, I knew I wanted a shaker hook, but this just made me feel really good about this one, because when I think about harvest, I think about abundance. I think it's so many positivity that comes with it for me. So that's why when I saw this one, I'm like, listen, I want this hook. You know, I wanted it just because of the thought of, like I say, abundance, the thought of just love and joy and happiness. When I think about harvest time, you know, it's like you plant so many seeds throughout the year. Now it's time for you to actually get the fruits of your labor. So that's what I thought about when I saw the harvest hook. And this is a beautiful, during the fall time, this is a beautiful, beautiful time. So I'm just like, I had to have it. So I got it, like I said, in a 6mm. I am super, super excited about this hook. I cannot wait to see what I create with it. I know it's going to be nothing but great things. It's going to be nothing but greatness that comes from this hook. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And I am in no way sponsored by this, I like to say designer or artist, but I want you to know, if there is anything, if you're looking for a unique hook, something that you never seen before, I'm telling you, this little hook of Schmine, that's the website that you need to go on. And I want to say, I'm going to put all her information in the description so you can know, because I follow her on Instagram. I follow her on TikTok. And of course, she has that beautiful website to where she posts different unique hooks. And that's one thing that I really love about her, is that the artistry in her work. It's like the things that she comes up with is very unique, and I just really love that. I'm gonna keep it just like this because look at the pumpkin and the little leaf. It's beautiful. So I want to say is Live Your Way, but it's numbers behind that. So like I said, I'm going to put everything in the description for this artist, for Stefnie. Make sure, say the word, Stefnie, yes. So I'm going to put everything in the description below. So if you want to order one of these beautiful hooks or your own personal shaker hook of some kind, check her out. Her hooks are beautiful. They crochet well. They fit well in your hand. And I'm telling you, these are amazing and I love it. So I want to personally just thank her for just using her gift in a way that can just make other people smile. I'm sorry, my voice trying to go in and out, but that can make other people smile and just happy about the, you know, the art of crocheting. So I hope you all are having a beautiful, amazing start to your week. And as always, I am your one and your only Lady Simone. Thank you for being a part of my beautiful crochet family. Until next time.